Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing both devices and the operating system. Connect the client device to the PC with a good data USB cable. Once done, confirm the PC's internet connection is active. Make sure you have administrative rights on the PC and that the client allows USB data connections or tethering. Install or update the appropriate driver, RRendis on Windows, Libmobile device on Mac OS/Linux, or ADB if using Android. These steps let the OS recognize the device and route traffic. Next, you configure the PC to share that internet connection over USB. On Windows Open Network Connections, right-click the Internet adapter, choose Properties, and go to the Sharing tab to enable internet connection sharing, then pick the USB interface. On Mac OS, use Internet Sharing in Sharing Preferences and select the USB device as the target. On Linux, set up Iptables or Network Manager to NAT the traffic to the USB 0 interface. Once applied, the PC will forward packets from the client through its Internet adapter. Finally, verify the client has connectivity and troubleshoot common failures. On the client, try loading a web page or pinging 8. If it fails, check that the USB interface on the PC has a valid IP, that the client received an address, and that firewall or antivirus isn't blocking ICS. If DHCP fails, assign a manual IP and DNS on the client in the same subnet as the PC's USB adapter. Restart both devices after changes. Often that fixes lingering driver or routing issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.